My name is Najee, and this is Micah. We're nursing students at West Virginia Junior College.
And we're going to show you how we measure gestational weeks using Fundal measurements. This is our patient Priscilla. Today Morgan's going to show you how to get a fundal height measurement on her to tell her gestational weeks.
Alright, so what you're first going to want to do is find where the symphysis pubis is, and that's usually down here, and if you push, you can feel a bony little spot, and that's where it'll be. And then you want to start your measurement here, and then you want to feel where the height of the fundus is. So if you put pressure on the abdomen, we can feel that her fundus, the top of it, is right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your measurement and put it right back on where that symphysis pubis is, and then the top of the fundus. And we've got 12 weeks here. How far along are you? 11. She's 11 weeks, and so it can be 2 up or 2 down, and that's within normal range.